Okay. All right. So let's take a listen again. Notice how the different instruments in the music playing different things. Okay? So did you hear that flute goes triatatam, triatatam? Yeah. Piano is playing this melody pa pa pam pam pararam pam, and the flute playing triatatam, 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 triatatam. That's the flute playing, right? And you see how it's going ta 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 tam pam pa 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 pam. Yeah. So there's flute playing ta 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 tam. Something else, right? Which is not part of the melody. Just let's continue listen. Oh, and what the flute is doing right now? Do you hear that chromatic scale?
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Bum 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 bum. Yeah, so even though the piano going up or down right here?
Down.
Down, and the flute going bum 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 bum. Yes? So the reason why I wanted you to listen, we can use a different improvisation. Okay, so we have a piano part, but do we really need to be able to play exactly? Yes, if it's classical music, but if we want to have a fun and improvise and play something else, we could play something different. And that's what we're going to be exploring. So what's the main chord that we're using?
D.
D. So for example, I could play, and we have a 3/4 time signature. So it's 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, and remember how the melody goes. Ta-da-dum, bum, ba-da-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. Ta-da-dum, bum, ba-da-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. And I could play, instead of that, I could play something else maybe. So I can add those trills, right, that we heard in the flute. So we're going to continue exploring that tomorrow, okay? So we're going to create something different with this song. Did you like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to continue tomorrow. Bye, Briella.
Bye.
Bye.